Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install mods on SKLauncher. So first of all, you want to find your mod, so go to the browser, write down Minecraft mods and go, for example, to curseforge.com, and then you're going to choose your mods. So for example, let's choose any of those. After that, you're going to click download button and download it to your PC. After you have downloaded it, you will have this zip file here, and after that, you want to open up your SKLauncher. On SKLauncher, you want to click Installations Manager. On Installations Manager, you want to click Import Mod Pack, and you want to, of course, find it wherever you put it. So for me, it is here on my desktop. You're going to choose it, and now it will start installation. What you can also do is go ahead to Installations Manager and click on Mod Packs, and from there you will see all of the mods available which you can actually download from here. So for example, Sky Factory, click on it, then you're going to choose your version, game version, and once you do that, you can click install or install the latest, and that's pretty much it. It will install the Sky Factory just like so. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.